Hello my people, Victor Isibor here. Ponzi schemes is an age-long problem in Nigeria, and with my own little platform, I've been doing my best to combat Ponzi schemes. Now, what is becoming very, very popular, that is gaining momentum and popularity in Nigeria today, is gambling. Now, our youth, they are our future. Our youth are our future, leaders of tomorrow. Why are the leaders of tomorrow gambling away their lives? If you go to any street corner in Nigeria today, you will see one bet shop in every street corner or one Baba Ijebu shop. Then you will look at young boys that are supposed to be at work or at school, checking long slip of tickets, planning to win 100 million with 100 naira. If they lose today, they'll say it's small money now. Is it not 100 naira? I'll go again tomorrow. By the time you calculate that 100 naira, it would now become several millions that they are losing on a daily basis. Gambling is addictive. Go and ask around those that are addicted to gambling. They sell their houses, sell their valuables and use it to gamble. Now you will see influencers, comedians, artists becoming brand ambassadors to these gambling companies, encouraging their audience to use their promo code to register for a gambling website. All those influencers care only about their pockets. They don't care about the people. They just want to make money as brand ambassadors to gambling companies, encouraging the leaders of tomorrow to become gamblers. Any shortcut to making money, I always question it. And anything that demands you handing your money to a third party, I am always against it. Now, some people will say, but betting companies, when you win, they pay you. Okay, that has been the excuse people have been giving for them since. Okay, when you win, they pay you. Now, look at the case of these two boys from Warri. Two young boys that won a whooping 137 million with 1xBet, with just 120 naira. 1xBet now has come out with their terms and conditions, saying that they made a mistake when they were fixing the odds. That there was an error in the odds. Error or no error, those guys won those games according to your terms. You made the terms and those guys played the games. They played by your terms and they won. You cannot begin to shift the goalposts now. Is there anything like consumer protection rights in Nigeria? They should come out now and talk in this matter so that they will not cheat these boys now. It's not fair. And you, brand ambassador to all these betting companies, all the comedians in Nigeria, majority of them are always saying, use my promo code. It's time for you to come out and tell your company that you are ambassadors for. Tell them to do the right thing. These guys won 137 million naira. Instead of you to pay them, you are saying you will give them 10,000 naira promo code. No, now you are shifting the goalpost. It is not right. This is shifting of goalpost. And that is why we always say, shun gambling. Shun Ponzi schemes, shun gambling. Any shortcut to success, there's always danger ahead. Always danger ahead. Now, if these guys had lost, because people in gambling, they lose more often than they win. Loss is normal. Loss is an everyday thing. Winning is a once a while thing. If these guys, has anybody ever lost? And you people come and say, look at the terms and conditions. We made a mistake with the code. You actually won. Come and take your money. No, you will not say that. It's only when somebody wins that you now bring out your constitution. This is not right. I'm calling on all the comedians that I have seen advertising this company, this betting company. And come out now. Talk to your company. Ask them to pay these boys from Warri. Their story is heart-wrenching. It's not good. This is oppression. Don't do that. Do not do that. Pay them their money. They won. They played by your rules, your terms and conditions, your odds. They played and they won. All the tickets, green. Pay them their money now. Pay them their money. And for those of you who have not started gambling, don't start it, because if you start it, it is extremely difficult to stop. We are breeding youth of tomorrow. They are all gambling. Very soon, Nigeria will have a president who will stay in Aso Rock and be checking betting slip, because it's a habit he or she picked right from their youth. Later on, we'll have a president that will use Nigerian budget and put inside Ponzi scheme. And they will run away with his or her money, because this is a habit that they took from right from when they were young. If you are looking for legitimate ways to make money legitimately, good money legitimately, hit me up via my WhatsApp link in the description. We must begin to change the narrative. Stop Ponzi. Stop gambling. Look at the youth. Salute to Mr. Jollof. You are standing for those guys and you are defending them. Watch these videos. How these guys are calling out to you all. Lend your voice to this matter so that they can get their money. Justice for these guys.
One bet, I beg, make una give us our money. This thing don't they say, I beg, you don't they waste time. When I give us this money, you don't wait like say we win this money. When I give us our money, Nigerians are beg, when I help us beg honest bet, they give us our money. We they not able to talk any better thing about this money again. Like this time, they don't talk anything about it. If we write them, they not they reply again. They will just read message, they not they reply the message again. And then when I help us talk to them, they give us our money. One next bet, I beg. This we don't win this money since on the 7th correlation. How many days now? And then when I give us our money, we don't tell her to the wait. At least, even if I never send the money, when I tell us when they give us our money, so you have your money. We go understand. We go wait. Not be say this or now they talk about promo code this and that. Okay, the one be like say we win, so now never give us the money. Okay, now you give me promo code. Now take play another one. Say wait. Okay, now I go use another one. Take play now. If you never give me this first one, I take this short so you go give me the second one. I beg. Move first settle this first business first. As the game take green finish, so you give me my money. When you give me my money, then we can go forward. You understand? If we go forward, we can do other business. But for now, first, give me my money. I beg.
Honest bet, I beg. They beg. I beg. Give us our money when we win.
Honest bet, I beg. I beg. This thing don't the tea. You don't the tea. I beg. You don't the tea.
Yeah. I don't know what we go bring constitution come. We don't read my constitution. Get out your rules and regulations. Honest bet. Get the out your rules and regulations and pay those boys their money. What did they tell us here? Say as a bet maker company, now reserve the right to declare any game void or invalid. And now put options there for people to put their money. Which kind of talk when they talk? Then now, when they talk, say for inconvenience, I want to give boy 10,000 naira. Mad. Now they really increase my papa. Any lawyer wey dey qualified to handle this case, come reach out to me. And when we don't win this case, because this case is a very simple case, as we win this case for real court, 20 million na your own raw. We just do surround me one is better no say we mad. For what? Person we want that 7 million, and tell us when I give back 10,000 naira as promo code, make the user say they also for that company man. That's slavery. I mean when people they put their money, now they take the money they go. Now Kudi, this is not the story of Kudi, the greedy hunter. He cashed everything for bush. Now school rent no cash. Those small children 40 naira, 80 naira we enter on 9 now or 30 this agbada those door wire.
Hello, honest bet.
Mona pay them. Pay this children.
Don't get body for problem. When I pay us our money,